बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामुअलैकुम फ्रेंड्स। हिस्ट्री ऑफ पाकिस्तान सीरीज़ के इस हिस्से में हम पाकिस्तान रेजोल्यूशन 1940 जिसे उर्दू में करारदाद पाकिस्तान या करारदाद लाहौर कहा जाता है, इससे मुतल्लिक़ अहम क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करेंगे। वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो ज़रूर लाइक कीजिएगा, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। आइए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। हु वाज सैयद जमालुद्दीन अफ़गानी? आंसर इज़ पॉलिटिकल लीडर एंड रिफॉर्मर। Who proposed to make the northern part of subcontinent in independent Muslim state? Answer is Sayyid Jamaluddin Afghani. Who was Maulana Abdul Halim Sharar? Answer is Urdu novelist. When Abdul Halim Sharar suggested that India should be divided into two Hindu and Muslim states? Answer is 23rd August 1890. When Kheri brothers made the proposal of partition? Answer is 1917. When Muhammad Abdul Qadir Bilgrami advocated the division of the subcontinent between Hindus and Muslims? Answer is 1920. Who coined the word Pakistan? Answer is Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. The word Pakistan means? Answer is land of pure. Who wrote a book Pakistan, the fatherland of Pak nation? Answer is Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. The annual session of the Muslim League, which changed abruptly the political horizons of India, began on? Answer is 23rd March 1940. In 1940, where the annual session of Muslim League was held? Answer is Minto Park. Minto Park later on came to be known as? Answer is Iqbal Park. Who presided over the 27th annual session of Muslim League in 1940? Answer is Quaid-e-Azam. When Pakistan resolution was moved? Answer is 23rd March 1940. Who moved the Pakistan resolution? Answer is Fazlul Haq. Who was Fazlul Haq? Answer is Chief Minister of Bengal. Pakistan resolution was seconded by whom? Answer is Chaudhry Khaliquzzaman and others. We are a nation according to any definition of nationhood. Thus, they must have a separate homeland. Where and when this statement was made by Quaid-e-Azam? Answer is March 23rd, 1940. When the Pakistan resolution was presented before the full house? Answer is May 23rd, 1940. How many words were contained in Pakistan resolution? Answer is 400. How many paragraphs were contained in Lahore resolution or Pakistan resolution? Answer is 4. Pakistan resolution strengthened with theory? Answer is two nation theory. Who referred to the partition as vivisection of Mother India? Answer is Hindu leaders. Gandhi called Pakistan resolution a? Answer is moral wrong. Jinnah's demand of partition is just like a quarrel between two brothers, one who want to slaughter it into two pieces to decide amongst them. Who said it? Answer is Raj Gopal Acharya. Pakistan resolution was written in English. Who translated it into Urdu language? Answer is Maulana Zafar Ali Khan. व्यूअर्स, अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक कीजिएगा, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर एग्जाम्स। अल्लाह हाफिज़।